welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to make homemade old-fashioned cheeseburger pie. And with that, we're just going to have some homemade French fries. So cheap, so easy, under an hour. Everybody loves it. You know, when I was a kid, we had it, fairly often. We'd have it probably 2-3 times a month or something. But it was because it was cheap. I always thought it was just because we liked it, but it is pretty cheap and it was easy to do, easy to get on the table. So let's get started. All right, you're gonna need a pie shell, and obviously I cheated. Yes, I did. They had them at Walmart, I think, right after Christmas for like $2.32 or something for 2 pie shells. Those Ritz ones. So yeah, I'm all about cheating a little bit. You'll need 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of hamburger. Some evaporated. You need 1 cup of evaporated milk. You don't need a whole can. You just need a half a cup. You're gonna need 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. Just under 1/4 cup of minced onion or diced onion. 1 cup of ketchup. And a half a cup of ketchup. I'm lying. Half a cup of ketchup. And 1 cup of American processed cheese. A little bit of Worcestershire, a little bit. And some oregano. And then to make French fries, all I need is some potatoes. All I need is some potatoes and some salt to go on them. Now we're just going to start loading this Parmesan 3-quart bowl. I do love my Parmesan mixing bowls. Let's get this started. So this is 1.39 pounds of hamburger. 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. Just under 1/4 cup of onions. Minced onions, or you can just cut up an onion and put it in there. Half a cup of ketchup. Bang, 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 bang. 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire. 1/2 cup of carnation milk. And 1 teaspoon of oregano. We're going to give that a good mix, and yes, I'm doing it with my hands. I'm eating it, I'm doing it with my hands. Alright. And you don't have to over mix it. You really don't. Just make sure it's combined. You really just want to combine it. You don't want to just mix and mix and mix. So we're going to call that good. Looks good to me. We're going to put this pie shell up here and put it all in that pie shell. Pat it out. Nice and flat, no bubbles. All right, now I got everything picked up and cleaned up, and I'm ready to put this in the oven. This is just aluminum foil that I have folded and folded again. And what I do is I take that and I wrap it all the way around that pie crust. The reason for that is so that I don't burn my pie crust. I hate burnt pie crust. So, if I put this on there and I leave it on there, it's still going to cook, but it's not going to burn. Now, this is just going to go right on in the oven. And I changed my mind. I'm not just going to sit this right on in the oven. I've decided that just in case that burger's a little greasy, I don't want it all in the bottom of my stove, so we're going to do it just like this. We're gonna put it in here at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. 45 minutes, and we'll be back. All right, my 45 minutes is up. We're gonna take my pie out of the oven. All right, now we're gonna take this off. See there, it's not all burnt. Now I'm gonna take that cheese and pour that all over the top. We're gonna put it back in the oven for about 10 more minutes. Now we're gonna start on the French fries. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is start to get that grease hot, because by the time I get my potatoes cut, we'll be ready. My oil will be hot, or lard. This is lard, not oil. I don't use oil. That stuff will kill you. All right, I got one big potato and two small ones, so that's what we're having. All right, we don't cut French fries too fancy around here. I just cut my potato up, make nice little wedges, and call it good. And I know my grease is good because it's popping and it's cooking my wooden spoon. I actually let this get a little too hot, y'all. Don't let it get quite that hot. But then I just drop them in there and try not to burn myself. I've been at it a long time. I probably fried 1,000,000 pounds of French fries. I only use lard, butter, olive oil. I think pretty much that's it. Vegetable oils, soy oils, corn oils. Those are all like really serious artery cloggers, and they are horrible for your liver. So I never use those. The other reason for using lard is because your food browns better. It absolutely browns better. You get fuller because it's satiating. It's just all around wonderful. Oh, there went my ding. There is my hamburger pie. All right, we're just gonna set that right there. Let it start cooling while my French fries are frying. And now I'm using paper towels to drain my French fries with. Normally, I would use a paper bag because it soaks it up so much better. But I don't have any paper bags. They're getting harder and harder to get. Anyways, let's go. We're going to flip it. Look at that brown on the... See, I wasn't lying. It doesn't take them very long at all to brown up. Just nice and crispy. Definitely not a store-bought French fry. And you know those things, the last time I checked, I used to try to keep some French fries just for quick and easy, and when the grandkids are here or whatever. They want $5 or $6 a bag for a 2-3 pound bag. They can keep it. My French fries are done, nice and toasty brown, crispy. I'll take these out. Get another load in. And for an added bonus, we're gonna put some dill pickle slices. Oh yeah, this is a cheeseburger after all. There you go. Okay, you guys ready for a taste test? Come on here.
Yep.
He's coming. It's late.
Essie wanted to come over with me. I wouldn't let her. Anyway, if you guys noticed, Tammy put some of that homemade Thousand Islands dressing on there. Yep. And along with the French fries and that, you know what I want to do? I want to do French fry in there.
Oh yeah, it's not that different than the special sauce from McDonald's.
Oh my goodness, that is very good.
Yeah. Yep.
That Thousand Islands is great. I'm sorry.
Randy can link that Thousand Island up there wherever it is that he puts it, and you can make your own. It's 3 ingredients and it's so, so good.
It is very good. Sorry about that. I'll put the link right over there. Okay. And you can make your own Thousand Island dressing.
Mm-hmm.
Tammy, that is delicious.
Oh yeah.
I'll give you another French fry in that dressing. Okay.
Those French fries are good. I was already eating them. See?
I love rubbing it in.
Homemade French fries, they're not that hard to do.
No, for a little bit of time, you got to cut up potato, get you a decent fry. You might as well do it. I mean, how long does it take you to drive to a store to go buy some French fries?
Frozen French fries, yeah.
Yeah, no. Frozen.
No. Nope.
Nope. All right, we out of here.
See you in the next video.
Y'all take care and have a good night.